In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate emails on an account in Salesforce. This process will help streamline your communications and ensure that important updates are sent automatically whenever certain triggers are met. Let's walk through the steps together to set up your email automation with ease and precision. First, you need to navigate to the advanced setup in Salesforce. To do that, click on the gear icon located at the top right corner of your screen. This will open a drop-down menu where you'll select Advanced Setup. This is where we begin to configure what will ultimately become your automated email system. Once in Advanced Setup, you'll notice a quick find box. This is your best friend when it comes to efficiently navigating Salesforce's extensive array of features. In that quick find box, type flows and then click on the selection that appears. Flows are a powerful tool in Salesforce that allow us to automate a variety of processes, including sending emails. Next, to create a new flow, find the New Flow button and give it a click. You'll be presented with different types of flows you can create. For our purpose today, choose Start from Scratch, and then select the Record Triggered Flow option. This decision is key as it allows us to set the flow to trigger based on the creation of specific records, which in this case will pertain to accounts. Moving on, we need to specify our object of interest. For this tutorial, type in or select account as the object. Accounts are the cornerstone for this automation since we're targeting email triggers whenever new accounts are created. Now that we've set the object, we must configure when this automation will kick in. Set the trigger so that it's activated when a record is created. This means every time a new account is created, our flow will start working its magic. Our next step is setting a condition for this flow to run. In this instance, we want to specify that the type must equal customer. By doing this, you ensure that emails are only sent when new accounts specifically marked as customers are created. This helps to keep your communications relevant and prevents unnecessary automation for other types of accounts. Before wrapping up the flow, be sure to save it. As you save, give your flow a descriptive and recognizable name. This will make it easy to identify later, especially if you have multiple flows in action. Finally, click Activate to set your flow live. Activating the flow means it is ready to run in the background, diligently sending out emails based on the conditions you've set. And that's it, you've successfully automated email communications for your Salesforce accounts. This automation not only saves you valuable time, but also ensures your customers receive timely and consistent updates. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.